This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is siding nailer versus a framing nailer. Now, I'm sure you realize that they're capable of doing the same thing. They shoot almost identical nails, the type of nails. This is a stick nailer that I'm displaying here, and this is a coil nailer for the siding. And it's capable of shooting the same nails, but the outcome is less than desirable when you're using a framing nailer to shoot siding, and I'll tell you why. The framing nailer is a rough gun. It's made for high impact framing for rough mill work, and especially made by design to get into tight corners and to toenail with high impact velocity. So the finished product on a framing nailer is less than desirable. Again, the siding nailer, on the contrary, is made to go upright. If you notice, it's lighter in weight, and most importantly, it's got an adjustable trigger that adjusts the depth of the nail getting shot into the siding. So you can have a uniform shot in siding over and over and over again. Another thing to note is that it's protected in the front. So if you're dealing with softer woods like cedar, you won't leave an impression on the wood as you're shooting into it over and over again. And you know, as you're doing siding, you don't want to go back and have to touch it up, have to caulk up the holes or patch up the holes or damage the siding. It'll really detract from the work. So there are specific guns for specific purposes, and this is a siding gun, and you should use it. This is the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.